Hello kids! Today we are going to learn number 13 and number 14 and do some fun review activities. Number 13. Look at the birds. 13 birds. Number 14. Look at the lions. 14 lions. Excellent! Now let's do some review activities. Count the pictures and trace the numbers given in the boxes. Look at the butterflies. Let's count. 10 butterflies. Trace number 10 in the box. Look at the green cars. Let's count. 12 green cars. Trace number 12 in the box. Look at the school bags. Let's count. 14 school bags. Trace number 14 in the box. Look at the snails. Let's count. 11 snails. Trace number 11 in the box. Look at the pencils. Let's count. 13 pencils. Trace number 13 in the box. Great job! Now let's move to the next activity. Match the same numbers. Look at the row of numbers on top and find their matching partners in the row below. Let's draw a line to match 10 to 10, 11 to 11, 12 to 12, 13 to 13 and 14 to 14. Excellent! Now let's move to the last activity. Count the objects and encircle the correct number. Look at the red locks. Let's count them. 14. 14 locks. Encircle number 14. Look at the potatoes. Let's count them. 13. 13 potatoes. Encircle number 13. Look at the little blue birds. Let's count them. 12. 12 birds. Encircle number 12. Excellent. See you next time. Goodbye.